Hello children, I hope you are all happy and healthy today. Welcome to this special English hour where we will learn a lot of new things and have lots of fun. नमस्ते बच्चों, I hope आप सब स्वस्थ और तंदुरुस्त हैं। आपका इस स्पेशल इंग्लिश आवर में स्वागत है। यहाँ पे हम बहुत सारी नई चीजें सीखेंगे और खूब मस्ती करेंगे। So, let's start with a session song. Are you ready? Please stand up and come close to the TV screen. I will do some actions and you have to follow me. Are you ready? Let's go!
Do you know how an elephant walks? Stomp, stomp. Do you know how an elephant walks? Stomp, stomp. First put your left feet and then put your right feet, and this is how they go. Stomp, stomp. Stomp, 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 stomp. Stomp, 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 stomp. Stomp to your left, stomp to your right, stomp to your front, and stomp to your back. Do you know how a duck walks? Waddle, waddle. Do you know how a duck walks? Waddle, waddle. First put your left feet and then put your right feet, and this is how they go. Waddle, waddle. Do you know how a hen walks? Flap, flap. Do you know how a hen walks? Flap, flap. First put your left hand and then put your right hand, and this is how they go. Flap, flap.
I hope you all enjoyed singing and dancing with me today. Now we will learn a few action words. What are action words? Action words are those words where we are performing an action. For example, reading, dancing and playing. आज हम कुछ एक्शन वर्ड सीखेंगे। एक्शन वर्ड्स यानी वो शब्द जहाँ पे हम कुछ कार्य कर रहे हैं, जैसे पढ़ना, सोचना, खेलना और मस्ती करना। Now I will show you an image from your textbooks. Can you tell me what is this girl doing? Yes, she is reading a book. So, reading is our action word. Can you tell me the other people, what are they doing? What is the boy doing? Yes, the boy in this image is writing. Writing यानी लिखना. What is the boy doing next to him? Yes, he is eating. Eating यानी खाना खाना. What is the girl doing next to him? Yes, she is washing her hands. वो अपने हाथ साफ कर रही है. What is the girl doing below? Yes, she is drinking tea. वो चाय पी रही है. Drinking is an action word. What is the girl doing next to her? Yes, she is sleeping. वो सो रही है. What is the boy doing over there? Yes, he is running. Running is a action word. What is the girl doing next to him? Yes, she is jumping. Jumping is an action word. What is the boy doing over there? Yes, he is walking. वो चल रहा है. What is the girl doing? Yes, she is singing. वो गा रही है. Singing is an action word. What is the boy doing? Yes, he is dancing. Didn't we all dance? Yes, dance is an action word. What is the girl doing? Yes, she is sweeping the floor. Sweeping is an action word. What is the boy doing over there? He is closing the door. दरवाजा बंद कर रहा है. Closing is an action word. What is the boy doing over there? He is climbing a tree. Climbing is an action word. What is the boy doing over there? Yes, he is crying. And what's the girl doing over there? Yes, she is smiling. Smiling is an action word. What is the boy doing there? He is waving. Waving is an action word. What's the girl doing over there? Yes, she is riding a horse. Riding is an action word. Do you see what the boy is doing over there? He is laughing. Laughing is an action word. And what is our last boy doing? He is driving a car. Driving is an action word. Great! I hope we were able to learn a few action words. Now we will learn a few new words. Let's look at our first word. Door. 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 Please open the door. Rani pushed the door. Our second word is wash. Wash. Wash.
We wash our hands every day.
Our third word is cry. 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 We cry when we are sad. Babies cry when they are hungry. Our fourth word is sing. 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 She sings beautifully. I sing when I am happy. Our fifth word is hands. 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 I use hand sanitizer every day. We clap our hands on birthdays. Do you remember the 5 new words we just learned today? Let's revise them. Door, wash, cry, sing and hands. Great. Now I have a lesson for you today. Please open your English textbooks to page number 21. We will read this chapter. If you have a textbook, point your finger on the word that I am reading. If you don't have a textbook, listen to me carefully. आपकी इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बुक खोलिए पेज नंबर 21 पे. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो आपकी उंगली उन शब्दों पे रखिए जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. अगर टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो ध्यान से सुनिए. Children, do you see what she is doing here? Looks like she is pushing the door. What are they doing? Yeah, I think she is again opening the door. He seems to be washing his hands. What is she doing? Yes, she is crying. And what is he doing? He is singing. Let's read this chapter. Teacher. Neha, come forward. Mime an action and say what you are doing. Neha, I am closing the door. नेहा दरवाजा बंद कर रही है. Teacher, good. Keep doing it. Ashutosh, now come here. Now mime another action. Say what Neha's doing and also what you are doing. Ashutosh, Neha is closing the door and I am washing my hands. Do we see Neha closing the door? Yes. And Ashutosh is washing his hands. Swapna, Neha is closing the door. Ashutosh is washing his hands. And I am crying. नेहा दरवाजा बंद कर रही है। आशुतोष अपने हाथ साफ कर रहा है और स्वप्ना रो रही है। केतन, नेहा is closing the door. Ashutosh is washing his hands. Swapna is crying. And I am singing. Do we see Neha closing the door? नेहा दरवाजा बंद कर रही है। आशुतोष हाथ साफ कर रहा है। स्वप्ना रो रही है और केतन गा रहा है। We read a very interesting chapter. Different students were doing different actions. Neha was closing the door. Ashutosh was washing his hands. Swapna was crying. And Ketan was singing. These were the action words that we learnt earlier. Singing, crying, washing, closing, all these are action words. हमने ये चैप्टर में पढ़ा कैसे अलग अलग बच्चे अलग अलग क्रिया कर रहे हैं। वो क्रिया को हम एक्शन वर्ड्स कहते हैं। Now I have a very interesting activity for you and I have a surprise for all of you. Today I would like you to meet my best friend. His name is Balu. Would you like to meet him? Welcome Balu, come in. Do you all want to say hi to my friend?
Hi everyone!
Great, it's so nice to see you Balu.
Yay!
Now we're going to play a game with Balu. Now I will perform an activity and you have to guess the word. Are you excited Balu?
Yes!
Can you all also guess the word? Great! Now guess what I am doing?
You are flying a kite!
Yes, I am flying a kite. Can we all fly a kite?
Yes!
Okay, let's move to our next word. What am I doing?
You are cooking food!
Yes, I am cooking food. Can we all cook food?
Yes!
Great. Let's move to our third action word.
Yes!
What am I doing?
You are playing cricket!
Yes, I am playing cricket. Can we all play cricket?
Yes!
Yay! We learned 3 more action words today. Can you tell me what they were?
Cooking food!
And?
Playing cricket!
Yes, and?
Flying kite!
Yay! Very good, Balu. I hope you all enjoyed your time with Balu. Now, it's time for you to sit back and relax while I tell you a wonderful story. Children, have you ever been scared of a monster? क्या आपको कभी राक्षस से डर लगा है? I remember once I was scared from this monster who had big eyes. Let me read you a story of another monster. The story is called Who is Afraid of Rakshas Sweetie Man? It is written by Ranjit Lal, illustrated by Lavanya Naidu. The twins Samar and Nivya are waiting at the bus stop. Do not turn around. He is staring at us. Samar hisses at his sister Nivya. समर और निव्या भाई बहन अपने स्कूल के बस के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं। तब समर उनकी बहन के कान में फुसफुसाता है कि पीछे मत देखना, वो हमें घूर रहा है। The Rakshas Sweetie Man is watching these students across the road. His face is like a bulldog, says Samar. His nose is like a samosa and his hands are like hairy lady fingers, says Nivya. The Rakshas Sweetie Man may be scary, but he has the fabulous sweets and toys. The lovely sweet and toy shop. वो राक्षस भले ही डरावना था, लेकिन उसके पास सबसे अच्छी मिठाइयाँ और खिलौने थे। There is a large pile of sweets and chocolates. They see other children also go inside the shop, but the twins are too scared to even buy a single sweet or toy. Once they had seen heaps of chocolates. They decided to get that chocolate. Please, can we get that chocolate? Samar mumbled. एक दिन उन्होंने बहुत सारे चॉकलेट्स देखी और उनको लगा कि आज तो हमें चॉकलेट लेनी ही है। तो दोनों डरते डरते वो राक्षस को पूछ रहे हैं, क्या हमें वो चॉकलेट मिल सकती है? The Rakshas Sweetie Man pulled across the counter and reached out for them through his long python arms. Your teeth will fall, he grumbled softly. He took out a dreadful piece of false teeth and snapped it at them. Samar and Nivya both saw that and fled. He was going to bite us with that. Oh God, they said when they reached home. We will never go there again. But today, Samar and Nivya see something even more scary. They saw that the Rakshas Sweetie Man took a puppy and went inside. He didn't come out. Oh no, he's going to cook the puppy and eat her, said Nivya. But the next day, when Ma went to the market, she left the gates open. Samar and Nivya were horrified to see that all the dogs and puppies went straight to Rakshas Sweetie Man's shop. Oh no, he will eat them. We have to rescue them, said Samar and Nivya. अगले दिन जब उनकी मम्मी मार्केट गई तो उन्होंने दरवाजे खुले छोड़ दिए। तब सारे कुत्ते और पिल्ले वो राक्षस की दुकान पे चले गए। समर और निव्या बहुत डर गए, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा कि हमें हमारे पिल्लों को बचाना ही होगा। Samar and Nivya both hold hands and walk to the shop. It is very dark. They see a door half open and they open it trembling. The Rakshas sweetie man looks at the children and beams. Look, they are not afraid. वो राक्षस बच्चों की तरफ देख के मुस्कुराता है और कहता है कि ये पिल्ले तो मेरे से नहीं डर रहे हैं। Wasn't it a very interesting story? Everyone was afraid of the Rakshas sweetie man, but not the dogs. He loved the dogs and dogs loved them. I hope you enjoyed the story. I will see you in the next session. Till then, please revise the 4 action words that we learnt today. I hope you enjoyed today's session. I will see you soon in the next session. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.